Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.